So bank reconciliation statement is the statement prepared mainly to reconcile the difference between the cash book and the passbook. This is the statement actually. It don't have debit credit. It is a report. So it is a statement prepared mainly to reconcile the difference between cash book and passbook. The cash book in your left side, in your right side you have cash book, in your left side you have passbook. The reason of difference or two types of there. One is time gap, another one is the time gap. Passbook, the difference, what is the difference between cash book and passbook? For example, like we have entered in cash book but not updated in passbook. This is time gap, the time difference between cash book and passbook. We entered in cash book, for example, our customer directly deposited in our bank, so our passbook balance will increase, but we don't know whether our cash book is updated or not. Now our cash book balance still remain the same amount. So to avoid this kind of differentiation, we have to prepare bank reconciliation statement. This is called time gap. And the second one is error in recording. So error in recording, instead of 500, you just written 5,000. How to rectify this error in recording under the head of bank reconciliation statement? Let we see one by one what are all the characters in time gap. We will see elaborately in time gap. First condition, the first condition, let we see the time gap difference detail. The passbook and cash book equal, then happy. If it is not, see the passbook and the cash book, the same balance, no need to prepare any kind of. But it is not so, we have to equalize that, because our cash book also have bank column. In bank, the bank has maintained their passbook. Our cash book bank column should be same in the passbook column. This is what the passbook is always equal to cash book. If it is not so, what are all the characters will differ there? We will see. First one, I uh, I give one check to you. I entered in cash. I entered in cash book. Okay, I paid to you through check. But the check is not presented in my bank. So I entered my cash book. I reduced that I already paid through check. So I reduced my cash book balance. But in our bank book, bank passbook, after issuing that check, after depositing the check only, our amount will deduct. Until that, our amount will not deduct. The same figure is maintained there. So this we have to neglect. We have to eliminate this kind of error through bank reconciliation statement. To avoid this kind of fluctuations, we need to prepare BRS. The same. The difference between the next character, the check paid into bank for collection get but not get credited by the bank. The check paid into bank, the bank paid into the bank for collection, but not yet credited by the bank. Under this, we increase our cash book because in our cash book bank column, check paid into bank. So we just entered in the bank column to 5,000 or whatever credit side. At the same time, in bank passbook, after depositing that check only, after posting that check only, the passbook balance will update. Until that, the passbook balance is not remaining the same. See, once again, the check paid into bank for collection. In this transaction, we entered in our cash book, but not yet credited by the bank. Bank doesn't receive our check yet now. So we have to clear this kind of difference. One kind. If we see the third one, interest allowed by the bank. So interest allowed by the bank, our passbook balance will increase. Interest allowed by the bank means the bank gives some interest amount, the bank deposit some interest amount in our bank account, but we don't know at which time they deposit that amount. So the passbook balance will increase. At the same time, cash book balance remaining the same. No change in cash book. So can you understand this, what I try to say? The next one, interest charged by the bank on overdraft. Interest charged by the bank and overdraft. Then the passbook amount will decrease. At the same time, cash book balance, no effect, remaining the same. Because interest charged by the bank, the interest directly deduct money from our bank account. But we don't know that details on that particular time. So our the cash book balance remain the same. The passbook balance decrease. See, the cash book balance, no change. Remaining the same. Now the next character, bank charges and commission charged. Bank charges and commission charged by the bank. Once again, I repeat you. Bank charges and commission charged by the bank. Under this character, passbook amount is decreased. At the same time, cash book remain the same. The next, direct deposit by the customers into the bank. Our passbook will increase, but cash book remain the same because direct deposited the amount into our bank account. See, direct deposit by the customer into the bank. The bank passbook automatically increase our bank balance. At the same time, we don't know our customer will pay directly to our bank account. So our cash balance will not updated. So cash balance remain the same. At the same time, passbook balance increased. The next character, interest and dividend collected by the bank. Interest and dividend collected by the bank, our passbook balance will increase because the interest and dividend we collected through our bank account, not in ready-made cash. So our passbook balance will increase, but cash book balance, no effect, no change. See the next one. Check paid into the bank for collection, but dishonored by the bank. Check paid into the bank for collection and dishonored by the bank. Under this situation, we entered in our cash book check paid. Okay, so the cash book we updated, but under the passbook the check dishonored. So check dishonored, the passbook remained no change because the amount will not ready to deposit because our check is dishonored. Check paid into the bank for collection. Collection means we receive the money through check. So our cash book balance will increase, but the passbook balance, instead of dishonored, we just remain the same balance. This next character, direct payment made by the bank on behalf of customer. This is the last character. Direct payment made by the bank on behalf of customer. Our passbook balance will decrease because the direct payment, I'll tell one example, insurance premium directly paid to the with the help of bank. So instead of this, our bank passbook will decrease. We paid something through bank, so bank passbook will decrease. At the same time, cash book balance remain the same, no changes there. Okay, this is our last entry. Next class we will see elaborately how to deal with each and every character.